Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So this is Enugu State. This is Enugu State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. So you can see structures that were demolished, okay? But it's for the betterment of the state, it's for the development of the state. So this is Abani Road Mount and Umuchu Street, okay? And you can see the work that the able governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Peter Ndubisi Mba, is doing. He's doing a wonderful work in Enugu State. He's doing a great job. He's, constructing roads, expanding roads, and making sure that Enugu State, is developing the more. Okay. So if this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you are a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Okay, so comments, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this video. Okay, you can comment in the comment section. So you can see how these structures were all destroyed. Okay, but it's for the betterment of the people of Enugu. Like I said, this is Abani. Okay, Abani Road Mount. Okay, this is Abani Road Mount Nze Umuchu Street. Okay, I've heard a whole lot that the governor of Enugu State is doing for the people of Enugu State. Okay, I've also heard about his water project. Okay, they say residents of Enugu State Metropolis are waiting anxiously as the State Water Corporation confirms significant progress in restoring pipe-borne water to the areas within the first 180 days deadline set by the governor of Enugu State. I'm hearing, and my Enugu people are telling me that the governor is going to do a lot of water supply through pipe-borne water, borehole, and all that. Water is a problem in Enugu State, so the governor is trying everything possible to fix this problem. Okay, so you can see how work is going on in Enugu State. Okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share.